Hello everybody and welcome to another DCME tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to clone a staff member's week, and you can either apply it to the same staff member on a different week or to a different staff member. It's very easy and it will save you lots of time with your rotas if staff members' rotas don't change. So what we're going to do is go to the week of the 10th and look for Jim Black, and we can see these are the appointments that he has been allocated for that week. Now all we do is we select clone week. We then select if we're cloning it to Jim Black or a staff member, different staff member. So let's clone it for a different staff member on the basis that someone's covering Jim's appointments for that week because Jim is on leave. So we select the week that we want to clone Jim's appointments from, and we select the week that we want to clone Jim's appointments to. This will then clone Jim's appointments for the week of the 10th and apply it to Daniel Test for the week of the 17th. So once it's done that check, all we do is click save. Appointments scheduled between the 10th and the 16th have been successfully cloned to the period of the 17th to the 23rd. One point to note is if the staff member you're cloning appointments to already has appointments in that week, and it will create a clash or an overlap, then the clone will fail. Because we can't have overlapping appointments, your staff members can't be in two places at once. So let's look at the end result. We will then go to the week of the 17th. We will look at Daniel Test, and you can see those appointments have now been cloned from Jim Black for the week of the 10th to Daniel Test. Hopefully this will save you a lot of time with your rotaing, especially as you grow as a business, and you know time is money, so it will hopefully add more value to your company. DCME, Domiciliary Care Made Easier.